practicing spinning your poi at the same time in wheel playing. What we're going to do now is our first trick. This is very similar to a skipping trick for any of you skipping enthusiasts at home. All we're going to do is cross over and come back again. Both hands do this at the same time. We cross over and come back. Now to learn this, we're going to put one poi on the floor and just practice it with one hand. All I'm aiming to do with my hand is take it across my other pocket and back again. It's really important to remember to point your thumb and finger towards the poi. So as I go across, I'm taking my thumb and finger over my body and coming back again. So I'm getting the poi spinning, I'll get my other arm out of the way, we're going to cross over and come back. Just once. One spin and then we come back again. Once you practice that with your stronger hand, swap over, do the same thing on your weaker side. Get yourself ready, make sure it's in line with your legs, cross over and come back. It's nice and quick. Remember, it's your hand that's going to the other pocket and coming back again. If you're finding that it's hitting you in the back or in the head, it's maybe because your poi isn't spinning in line with your legs. So make sure they're perfectly in our wheel plane, parallel with your legs, before you try to cross over. Once you practice right hand and left hand, find your other poi and have a go at the crossover. So, once you've had a go with both hands, we're going to try both together. Move both hands simultaneously at the same time, over to the other side and back again. Keep the poi spinning just fast enough to keep them tight. So we cross over and come back. If your poi is spinning very fast, it's harder to do and you're more likely to hurt yourself. So a nice easy crossover and back again.